In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap crypto in Coinbase Wallet. Whether you're new to the crypto world or just need a little guidance, I'll take you through each step so that you can confidently and efficiently exchange your digital currencies using this convenient platform. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you want to do that from your App Store or Google Play Store and set it up as per Coinbase's instructions. Once you're all set up, go ahead and open the Coinbase Wallet app. Now, with the app up and running, you're ready for the next step. At the bottom of the main screen, you'll find an option labeled Swap. Tap on it. This option is essentially your gateway to exchanging one cryptocurrency for another. By clicking on Swap, you're accessing a streamlined process that constitutes the heart of today's tutorial. Once you've tapped Swap, you'll see options that allow you to select which cryptocurrencies you'd like to exchange. The app will prompt you to choose one cryptocurrency to swap from and another to swap to. Make sure you choose the currencies by their ticker symbols, which are the 3 or 4-letter codes to avoid any mix-up. This is crucial because swapping the wrong currencies can lead to unwanted outcomes. Now, with our currency selected, we need to determine how much of the first currency you want to swap. You'll see a field for entering the amount, so go ahead and type in the amount of the selected crypto you intend to trade. It's important to double-check this amount because this action will directly impact what you receive in the swap. Before executing the swap, you'll want to review the transaction details carefully, including the estimated fees and the impact on the price. Coinbase will display these details for you, offering transparency before you go ahead with the swap. Fees can vary based on the transaction size and network conditions, so always take a moment to understand this section. Satisfied with your selection and the cost involved? Great, it's now time to finalize the transaction. Simply tap the Swap button to confirm your transaction. By doing this, you're instructing the app to proceed with the exchange, so make sure everything is accurate before tapping. Once you've confirmed the swap, the final thing you'll do is to wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. The time taken can vary depending on the network congestion, but typically it doesn't take too long. You'll receive a notification once the transaction is complete. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to swap cryptocurrencies using Coinbase Wallet. Now you can manage your portfolio with ease as you make informed decisions about your crypto holdings. Thanks for watching.